Hello all, this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch Customer. Today we are gonna see how can I make a cat and mouse game in Scratch. Before we make that, take a second and smash that like button and share this to all of your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive my videos. So now let's get right into the video. First delete the cat. Next let's choose this cat and mouse sprite. Click here. Scroll down and you will see a sprite called cat2. Click on that. After that let's choose the mouse sprite. Scroll down or just search in the Scratch search area. There will be a sprite called mouse1. Click on that. Next let's choose the backdrop. I'm gonna choose this one. It's a simple backdrop for this game. Next, one more thing we need to do. Click on paint and type in game over. Nice. Next I am gonna change the font style and the font color and the font style. I recommend black and makers for the font style. I'm gonna change the X and Y coordinates to 0 and change the size to 200. I think would be perfect. Yes, 200 will be perfect. I am just gonna hide it. It will not interrupt. No, I am gonna just save it for now. And click on the mouse1 sprite. Let's start with the code. Go to events. When the flag is clicked, go to motion and drag in. Go to random position. We don't want that. It should go to mouse pointer. Next, go to control. Drag in a forever loop. Next, drag statement and go to operators and drag in greater than. Next, go to sensing and drag in distance to mouse pointer should be 20. Next, go to motion and drag in point towards mouse pointer and drag and move 10 steps. Change it to 11 steps. Now let's test it out. It's perfectly working. Okay, nice. Next, what are we gonna do is make it look like it's working. If you see in the costumes tab, there is 2 costumes. It will make it, we can make it like it's working. So go to looks and drag in next costume. Now it's looking like it's working. Okay, let's start with the code for the cat. Just drag this code to the cat and just change some things. Next costume, you should drag it out and change this to mouse 1 and change this to mouse 1 and change this to random position and change the speed to 6.7. Okay, nice. Now let's start with the game over system. For that, go to control, drag in a if then statement and go to sensing and drag in touching mouse 1. Go to events and drag in broadcast message 1 and click on the game over sprite, and when the flag is clicked and drag in that, and after that drag in. When I receive message 1, go to looks, drag in. When the flag is clicked, hide. When I receive message 1, it should show. Next, go to control and drag in a stop all block. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, so that's how you can make a cat and mouse game in Scratch. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments or just go to my profile. I will leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next coming Sunday. Bye.